Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Mr. Rodriguez in California on the Ranger RCI 99N4. We got you ready to go, my friend. You wanted the tune and alignment. We did just that for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got you set around 25 watts. You know the drill. 125 all the way up. Average power swing, hello, at 215, 500 watts slug in PEP, hello, 1212, hello, 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 500 watts plus. Roll it all the way down, hello, still 500 watts plus. Alrighty, Mr. Rodriguez, I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.